Alright, Jenna, you gotta sing the first part.
What? I really need you.
Go chasing waterfall.
Hold on, let me think of the very end right now.
When are you ready, Al?
I'm ready. This is uncut.
When I say no more lonely eyes, that's when no more lonely eyes. Then you go. Don't, because I'm not gonna. That was bad. Can't be on audio.
Everybody, lay it down.
Yeah, I did. I'm like, where are you guys?
Where are you guys? I just need you right now.
Are you really recording this?
Oh yeah.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
I'm doing this?
Yeah, you're
You're
singing
doing
the
the
first part.
chorus.
Chorus part. No, chorus part. Chorus part. Here we go.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way on nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many stars will come and go, leaving a trace on that what God's given her. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray, or gray, or 10 fade away? Tell the praise of all the sunny days, and like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional. The skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely nights. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers